Go to the help sheet and match the tally port in cell D4 to the tally port. To set the port in tally, press F12 on Gateway, Advanced Configuration. Now, on the help sheet, click the Connect Tally option. Select the purchase sales sheet and check the cell D1 mode. If the mode is different, click the Inventory Mode button. Select the purchase sales sheet and check the cell D1 mode. If the mode is different, click the Inventory Mode button. Copy the necessary field: inventory name, date, customer party name, supply location. If necessary, copy optional information such as the party GST number, narrative, consignee name, reference number, and reference date into future columns. Navigate to the stock sheet. Fill in the blanks with the invoice number, item name, go down, quantity, item rate, and GST rate. Do not enter the unit, it will appear after you validate this document. If necessary, put in optional fields such as discount, percent, TCS cess. Click the disable rate option if you wish to input accessible value instead of item rate. You can also use the import GST rate option to import GST rates for stock goods from tally. On the stock sheet, click the Validate button. All stock sheet data will be checked, and any inaccuracies will be noted in red. One error report will be created as well. Item name error for a solution. Go to the next step. GST rate error. Choose a GST rate from the drop-down menu. Go down name error. Select Go down from the drop-down menu. Taxable values error. Taxable values should be within permitted decimal digits, usually to decimal. Validate the stock sheet once again to ensure that all mistakes have been eliminated. Proceed to the next step if validation was successful. In cell E to choose voucher type. All default and custom vouchers in tally will be displayed here. Select the Calculate and Validate option to find any data errors and view the report on the error sheet. Click on the links to correct the inaccuracies. Error in the party name. See the following step for a solution. Date should be accessible in Excel and within the financial year specified in cell C2. Pause error. Select Pause from the drop-down menu. Taxable values error. Taxable values should be within permitted decimal digits, usually to decimal. All new ledgers are transferred to ledger sheet after confirmation. To export them in tally, go to the ledger sheet. Alternatively, you may change the ledger name in sales data by using the drop-down menu. Validate the sheet once again to ensure that all mistakes have been eliminated. Click the Export to Tally button if validation was successful. All data will be promptly exported to tally. Go to tally and double-check your data.